Joined by Namrata Ori, who is one of the very renowned psychologists, and she will decode frame by frame so as to how Umar's movements are. Namrata ji, if you can please first tell that the picture that we are talking about, the 10 seconds, first 10-second clips, where he's talking about suicide bombing and how normal it is. What do you observe in his body language?
His body language is naturally being there because he must have scripted the thing that before he actually do that. He's trying to remember what he thought and he's very confident in what he has actually scripted down. He's trying to convince the audience that whatever he has done and whatever he's going to do is absolutely correct and well algorithmic and programmed. And I think he's very confident in his thought process also.
In the body language, we are also seeing that, he's not having an eye contact. He's either looking down or somewhere upwards. What does it show?
He basically is trying to make himself clear very naturally because it is not the artificial kind of a talk that he is doing here. He is already brainwashed by someone or by the thought process that he has come here for. He's trying to convince the youngsters and the people following the path that he is justified by doing the bombing and by being the human bomb. And his body language, just because he's not making the eye contact, he's constantly moving because inside he's not very comfortable with his body as well. So this is what it is showing.
So can we just play the video, and once you can explain that, what is he all thinking? Is it a scripted video, do you think? Has he rehearsed about this video multiple times, or is it a very out of the moment, very as instant video? If you can just look at the picture and point out through your finger.
It is not an instant video, I would say.
Why?
Since it has already been shot in takes, this is what I observe, and also the video has been scripted in his mind several times. So before he look at the view that he's taking, he's actually moving the camera here and there. Somewhere he.
That's the end of the video, yeah.
Okay, so somewhere he must have had a long self-conversation before he actually shot the video because he wanted to convey the message very clearly to the audience. And he wanted to convey the message that he's very much justified and his body language is very much confident because he knows.
So he was prepared in his mind so as to what he has to do, and that is what his body language is showing. And multiple times he must have thought what he has to say. That's what we have, picked up from the body language and what the psychologist is telling. Back to you.